With Create Tailwind, I found the mindset and I could align my values and my way of thinking cash flow wise and abundance. IBC made it to where there's definitely a sense of security and also puts a value on the money that I'm being saved. So I was very eager to take my money out of my bank account and put it into an investments. But now it's more of a calculated process because now that my money is actually growing inside this policy, I'm able to really evaluate how good this future investment is going to be. With the cash value in my policy, has created like a warm blanket of security. For me, I was able to help my parents in retirement. We were able to, start putting away money in a life insurance policy. We always think that if you have $50,000 in your bank or $20,000 in your bank, it's not money that's doing anything for you. So you see it as this is doing something for me. And also it gives me ability to sleep better at night, be able to weather the storm better. And what I have seen in my past through living through 2008 and watching people lose everything, I've learned that if you can weather the storm, you'll be able to get the opportunities that make you excel through the next cycle or whatever it is. So it's really a sense of security. My wife asked me, what happens if something happens to you? I said, well, I think you'll be getting a big check and I think you'll be able to have time to figure that out. Obviously, I don't want that to happen, but at the same time, I know that my wife and my two kids are being taken care of and they will not have to lower their standard of living if something were to happen to me.